Hi there, I'm Jackie from Bloom Property Management, and I'm going to be talking about some quick tips to help you help the environment in super simple ways. So my super simple way for today is about no junk mail signs. Now, junk mail, yeah, it's no surprise that people who deliver junk mail often ditch the surplus rather than report it. So, there's a lot of wasted paper on that, and people who receive junk mail often just put it straight in the bin or the recycling, or use it to line their veggie pail or whatever. So it is a waste that way. But the more insidious side of junk mail is the want it creates, and that leads to landfill issues. Now, I'm not talking about the paper here, I'm talking about the things that are printed on that paper. So when you see advertising, it creates a need for something that you might not have even known existed before you saw the advertising. And and that's its job. It's designed to do that. It wants to make consumers. And so there's very clever advertising that creates this desire for things that you didn't know you needed. And I think it's called junk mail appropriately, because you buy that stuff and then you either biff the old thing that no longer serves its purpose because you found the latest and greatest, or the new thing you bought eventually breaks down and it ends up in landfill. So no junk mail signs are not just about the paper, it's about not having stuff end up at landfill. In other words, being junk. Another bonus of no junk mail signs is it saves you money, right? If you don't have that need to buy these things that you never knew existed, you're not going to buy them. I note this when I was too poor to window shop. I didn't listen to commercial radio, I didn't watch TV with ads, I didn't read the paper, I didn't get junk mail because I couldn't afford to want anything. It was just terrible on my psyche to need to do those things. So I avoided it, and I got through a very, very difficult time in my life where I really didn't have any income more than my absolute basic needs. So if you want to improve a household's finances, remove all junk mail. So good luck with this, and stay tuned for more.